outside drying, I'm gonna go ahead and take these wheels off so I can get them painted. If I can focus you in. There we are. That one. I really need a hand driver instead of these. Only thing I don't like about bead locks, all the screwing. I know that's what she said joke, but I'm not gonna do that. Get all these up. Oh, that one's on there pretty good. All right, let's get this out the way. Let's go ahead and start undoing all these bead locks. This one's not as bad as my other bead locks. These are the ones from Red Cat on the what is it called? The Gen 7. So these aren't that bad. I'm gonna have to paint those the heads of the bolts. But again, it's not too bad because it's not as many as my other ones that I had to do. Like for my Bronco, it was a lot of little bitty screws for those. Alright, that's one down. Let's see if I can beat the battery. I'm taking all these out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the inside of the rim chrome and the outside ring I'm gonna do black. I know one of these are missing a screw because it got stripped and rounded out. That's okay. As long as the rest of them are in, we're good to go. I bought this chrome paint for plastic. Hopefully a little more chrome than gray. But if not, oh well. It'll be better than what they look like right now. That's one thing I do like about these mats. They got the little spots for you can sit your screws. I want to get a bigger one though. Forget what size this is, but it covers most of my table, especially the area where I'll be working at. Alright. And the last set. Looks like I might beat the camera. And I'm just running the original foams that came in them. They're soft foam. Don't know what stage they are, I just know they're extremely soft, which is fine by me. I kind of like seeing the stress on the tire when crawling up stuff. Also kind of look good in photos and slow-mo. Yeah, but if you guys still running Lexan, it's not many hard bodies out there, but the ones that are out there, they're pretty cool. They're nice to have. You don't have to worry about constantly getting new bodies because they get scuffed up, repaint it. That's all you have to do to it. Alright, beat the camera. Now I'm gonna go and get these. Well, these will be chrome, so those can hold off, but I do gotta do these in black. I'm not doing the back ones because you're not gonna see the back ones. So I'm gonna go knock these out in black and I'll be back. Alright, camera stopped rolling. I didn't notice it when I was trying to put all these B-locks in. But I got 3 down. Working on the last one right now. Try to get it all done. I treat these just like I would do a regular tire, kind of a star pattern, if I can do a star pattern. Alright, got them on, and now what I want to do is take my paint marker and go over the tops. It's got a gloss to it, so kind of bring it out a little bit.